Hi YouTube, I broke my Xbox somehow. I don't know. It got a red ring of death, and it's error code 0110, and I'm really pissed because I got it April 4th, 2013, or no, that's the day it broke, today, and I got it for Christmas, and it's only been like a few months, and I'm really mad because it's only been a few months, and I really want to play it, and I didn't think it would break this quick, and I paid $200 for it. And then I got my TV to go with it, which cost a lot, and then blah blah blah, and I'm really mad because of that. And I want you guys to tell me on the comments how to fix it, because I have no idea how to. Okay, thank you. Bye. Or, actually, let me show you. Let me prove it to you. I got 0011 or 0110 error code. So, can you guys see that? Okay. Well, here. So, that's okay. Wait. Okay, so 0 1 1 0. So there. That's to prove it. And I got this, and I'm really mad because I got that TV just to play Xbox and watch TV on a nice TV. And I have no use for it really anymore. And that Xbox is like broken, and just please give me a like way to fix my Xbox. Okay. Bye.